You have the Challenger more than somebody ATL for that Charger. Give me keys. Give me keys.
Keys for what?
Give me your keys. Did I stutter? Come here. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around what?
You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
Exhibition of speed.
Exhibition of speed?
Yes, sir.
What does that even mean?
It's a misdemeanor.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 bringing another video. I know it's been a little while since I dropped the video, since I got my my hood wrapped. Yesterday I linked up with one of my good friends, call him B5 John. John actually has a 15 Challenger Scat pack. He actually helped me install my rear diffuser that I ordered from ZL1-ADDONS. Turned out really good. I thought the process was gonna take a lot longer than what it did, but it was pretty much like John pretty much took over, man, and was just doing his thing. And before you know it, I'll let you guys enjoy the footage. Let me know what you think about the rear diffuser. I know I see a bunch of people on YouTube with rear diffusers, but I think ZL1-ADDONS has, you know, nobody's really complained about them. The wait time was crazy, but outside of that, other than that, you know, it turned out really good. Title of the thumbnail of the video is just pretty much bringing attention to the fact that our cars are like extreme targets, man. I'm not even gonna claim it and just say it's only Mopars. I'll say is any, like, I'll say Camaros and Mustangs, especially us with Mopars, we're targets as far as law enforcement. I was going back and forth sending messages to Mr. Uzumaki on Instagram, and because I had posted a short clip of the police dash cam of Tall Guy car reviews of him being pulled over. To me, yes, I without a doubt, he may have accelerated hard, switched lanes, no turn signal in front of the cop, but prior to that even happening, the cop was in the far right lane, looked over, saw two Hellcats. Out of all those cars, he sees two Hellcats just, you know, right behind each other, going in the far left lane, the POV lane. He gets over. It's like this: if they're claiming speeding, and correct me if I'm wrong, if a cop catches you speeding, they hit you with the radar gun, they're not just gonna coast behind you and wait for you to do something else before they throw the lights on. If they catch you speeding, they hit you with a gun, you can rest assured you're gonna see those Christmas lights on right behind you. So I do, from my interpretation of it, the cops saw those cars, they stood out. He did everything he could to get in that within view of Tall Guy car reviews and his brother. And it's almost like the wish factor. If you're not familiar with the wish factor, Cedric Entertainer said it on Kings of Comedy.
The wish factor. Black people don't hope, we wish. We wish a motherfucker would be in action. And
that's pretty much how I saw it, was that he got it within view, he could see him, and he was just like waiting for his opportunity. He just waited for them to do something and then jumped on him. And to me, that's targeting. And then on top of that, it was a citation. Yes, they may call it exhibition of speed. That's what it's called, exhibition of speed. That may been the case, but give him a ticket. You know, ask for his keys. It's not like, I don't know. I'm not gonna go too deep. If you've ever had an experience with law enforcement in regards to your car, the type of car that you have, if you want to, I don't know. I guess make it a, I don't want to make it a challenge video. If you have an experience, experience period of law enforcement targeting you, make a quick video about it and post a link in this video. Or you could just describe it in the comments below. And before I let you see the rest of the footage of me installing the rear diffuser, I went to work, I went to Fort Knox, and this one particular morning, I got over, going through the gate. You know, I'm rolling up to the front gate like I always do, and the security guard like hopped out of his little booth and was like waving me forward like frantic. And I was like, hey, what's going on? He was like, yeah, you need to slow down. Okay, like what? I was confused. So he was like, yeah, we clocked you doing 45 coming in to the gate. Mind you, if you're not familiar with a military installation, you know the speed limit is like 15 miles per hour coming up to the gate. And there's 2 huge speed bumps. Number one, I've been in this area since 2013 and have never had an issue before. And number 2, okay, I'll make 3 points. Number 2, why the hell would I do 40 to 45 miles per hour over speed bumps in this car as low as it is? Third point is, if any cop clocks you doing 40 to 45 in a 15 miles per hour zone, they're not just gonna give you a little, you know, a discussion. They're gonna give you a ticket. But so basically I got in a full-blown argument. So it got to a point where I told the guy, I was like, hey, look, if you clock me doing 45, give me a ticket. Go ahead and pull me up. Tell me to pull over to the side so you can give me a ticket. If not, I'm going on about my business because you're gonna make me late for work. You know what I'm saying? And I'm checking them like, yo, if you caught me doing something like that, you jump on me. But what it was, like, as you know, if you own a 392, man, or a Hellcat, you know when it's really cold in the morning, these cars snap, crackle, and pop. And I think that's what he heard. And to his brain, he's thinking I'm like speeding, but it's like I don't understand how I could be speeding. Going over 2 huge speed bumps, coming up to a military installation gate. You know what I'm saying? I do the same shit I do every single day. But you know, I came here active duty. But like I said, I've been here since 2013. Yeah, I got here 2013 and never really had an issue. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, I'm gonna shut up and let y'all enjoy the footage. Right?
Shock on the beat. Shock on the beat. Shock on the beat.
Next day.
Shock on the beats. 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 Shock on the beats.
But let me know what you guys think in the comments below.